I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for no man.
Buckle up, folks. Today we've got a wild courtroom showdown. A sovereign citizen gets absolutely wrecked by a judge who is having none of it. This all goes down over a driving without insurance case, and you really can't make this stuff up. The woman tries every classic sovereign citizen excuse in the book, claiming she's not a citizen and the law doesn't apply to her. But the judge, cool, calm, and totally unfazed. He completely shuts her down, and honestly, it's satisfying to watch. She tries to argue, but every word just digs her into a deeper hole, making her look even more ridiculous. If you love courtroom drama and seeing sovereign citizen nonsense, get demolished, hit that like button, and subscribe for more. Now, let's dive in.
State your name for the record, please.
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this.
The classic sovereign citizen logic strikes again. This Karen is really going all in, claiming she's a foreign alien and trying to make the case that laws don't apply to her. It's honestly mind-blowing. But here's the thing, implied. Consent is a real legal principle, and it's as basic as it gets. If you're using public roads, you're bound by the laws that govern them. License, insurance, all of it. This woman can claim she's not a citizen or whatever, but that doesn't exempt her from the rules. What's wild is that these sovereign citizen arguments are entirely based on a misunderstanding or intentional misrepresentation of legal concepts. In the real world, you can't just declare that you're above the law because you say so. The courts don't buy it, and they shouldn't. So should we stop entertaining these arguments? Absolutely. There's no merit to them. They're just a way for people to try to get out of consequences. But it's kind of fascinating to watch these cases unfold because every time someone tries this, it's like watching a slow-motion train wreck. They end up looking more and more ridiculous, and the judge often just shuts them down with zero tolerance. What do you think? Should these arguments be put to rest once and for all, Or is there any room for their perspective in the legal world?
Argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed?
I am
Or if you
asking
don't
you
want
to
to
dismiss.
participate, or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate.
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a KPS.
So, as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Get ready, because this next hearing is about to get way more intense. This Karen completely loses it, and the judge is not having any of it. He shuts her down point by point, and honestly, it's hard to understand where she's coming from. She's acting like buying car insurance is some grand government conspiracy when, in reality, it's just there to keep everyone safe on the road. The judge is about to drop some serious truth bombs, and you can feel the tension building. But instead of backing down, she keeps digging herself deeper into a hole, refusing to let go of her wild claims. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's jump into the hearing and see how this all plays out.
Need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be KPS at this point in time.
Okay, so
So
that all
do you have
cap
the
name
opportunity to?
was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling you.
I'm here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I
I'm
cannot
asking you to
handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present
Judge,
today?
do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Jean-Pierre Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney.
Every time a sovereign citizen drops the phrase, attorney of fact, I can't help but laugh. They act like it's some kind of secret code that's going to magically win them their case. But that's not how the legal system works. If this woman wants to represent herself, or some imaginary entity, she'd need an actual law license, a P number, something legit, not just some made-up title. You can't just stroll into a courtroom and create your own rules as you go. Sovereign citizens are living in a completely different reality.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Jean-Pierre Williams, are you present twice? Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Jean-Pierre Williams, the agent.
Okay.
Authorized
so Jean-Pierre
representative. Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a KPS put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this
That all
ticket
cap name
of no
was
insurance.
created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Let me know where you stand on this. Are you siding with the sovereign citizen argument, or are you all about common sense? Personally, I'm all for how this judge handled the situation. She kept her cool, laid down the law, and didn't let any of the nonsense slide. That's exactly how it should be. Sometimes you see judges who entertain sovereign citizen claims, and I just don't think that's helpful. Sticking to the law, ignoring the theatrics, and moving forward is the way to go. What do you all think? Did the judge handle it perfectly, or do you think she could have been a little more assertive? If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and take care.